Mom gave me a few of these from Dad's garden. So now, I'm gonna figure out what I can do with these. I have a few ideas. So after asking around and getting some inspiration from a number of great recipes, I decided to just do something really quick and simple. Let me see what I can do in the air fryer. So let's gather the ingredients that we'll need. 1 medium-sized eggplant, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Mix everything up until it's well incorporated and looks something like this. Now I'm just gonna preheat my air fryer to 375 degrees, dump the seasoned eggplant cubes in the bottom of the air fryer and spread them out into a single layer. Now all you have to do is let that cook for about 15 to 17 minutes. And halfway through, just pull it out and give it just a couple of shakes. And now just serve it up, garnish with a little bit of parsley, and enjoy. Now this is my very first time actually trying this. So here we go. Oh my goodness. That is actually really good. I never would have thought an eggplant could taste this good, but it does. You gotta try this. If you've made it this far, hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. All those things help this channel grow and go. Until next time, I just like to cook, and I'll see you later.